I realized when I put this in initially that I probably should have waited till after all the washing and rinsing. Oh, that feels so good. Welcome back to my channel. So you know this video is just a quick carry on of my 3-part pattern series. I used the scalp and treatment serum in the very first video. So I just wanted to follow up with you and let you know how I think about it after using it daily on my scalp for about a week. And I say about a week, a little over a week. So when I show you this, that's a little over a week that I've used it. So because it's almost gone and I used it just for like a day or two over a week, I don't think this is meant for daily use, so I'll just start there. It's probably meant for when you need it. So again, the directions say it's for a scalp that craves comfort, it's invigorating scalp serum that's hydrating, and that it'll give you a sense of release for tight protective styles, but you can also use it on loose hair too. And it also says that it's supposed to stimulate your senses. So I think this is where the whole tingling sensation is supposed to come in. If you're specifically looking for that, I didn't necessarily get a tingling sensation per se, but I do feel like once I put it on, my scalp was nice and cool. So I got a nice cooling sensation. Again, I do enjoy the smell. To me, it's nice and minty. It says it has peppermint, rosemary, and lavender oil. So all of those things to me smell really nice. As far as it doing what I wanted it to do, now, did it do that? And my answer is yes. I definitely feel like my scalp is relieved. I definitely feel like I'm not scratching my scalp anymore. My scalp is no longer dry, and it's still definitely cold outside. It's still snowing and everything like that. My face is dry, but my scalp is not. So that's another situation I have to deal with. But just to let you know, like, it's not because the weather changed, it is because of the scalp serum. So for me, and buying it for what I wanted it to do with my hair, it did do that. So I just wanted to let you all know that, because I felt like I couldn't make a proper review on a product after using it for one day if it was something like a scalp serum treatment. So yeah, I just wanted to follow up with you guys. This product is a bit on the pricier side, and if it's up to me, would I repurchase it? And I'll say, if money was not a factor, yes. But because it is a factor for me in my house, I would probably go to a different hair oil. But if I was finding that none of the other hair oils worked, then I would come back to this because I know it worked for me and what I needed it to do. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next one.